Dear students, welcome to my 17th video. Today we are going to see the second extract of Act 1 Scene 2. It is a small one. Listen carefully. Miranda, wherefore did they not that are destroyers? Prospero, well demanded wench, my tale provokes that question. Dear, they durst not. So dear the love my people bore me, nor set a mark so bloody on the business, but with colours fairer painted their foul ends. Based on this short extract, I will give you some questions and also some answers. See that you write in your notebooks. Question 1. To what do you think that Miranda is responding as? Wherefore did they not that are destroyers? Miranda, after listening to the major part of the incidents that led to their present situation, wants to know as to why Antonio, Prospero's brother, and his alliance did not destroy them then and there. Second, why were Prospero and Miranda not killed by his brother? What do you think, children? Antonio and his people who wanted Prospero out of their way didn't have the courage to kill them, as the people of Milan loved Prospero, the real Duke of Milan. Antonio's evil intention was masked under the act of putting out Prospero and Miranda in the open sea in a boat without sail or mast or rope, so that they could drown at any time and sink. Question number 3. Why does the speaker say, well demanded wench? What reply does he give to this question? When Miranda asks for Prospero why their enemies had not killed, why had they not killed them instead of putting them in a boat, he replies that her question is very apt. He says that they did not dare to do so, as Prospero was loved by his people, and they would have come to know and reacted strongly if the two of them, that is Prospero and Miranda, were killed. By putting them in a damaged boat, the murderers could keep their intention secret and allow them to die. So they wanted to kill them indirectly, not directly, because they had the fear of the people. So question number 4. Did Prospero look upon his young daughter as a burden? Did he consider her as a burden, children? No. Prospero believed that Miranda was a gift from heaven sent to him to fight against the evil or the sea and the suffering of his life, because they were thrown in the open sea in a small boat. So he considered her as a gift. He calls her his hope and his strength. Miranda had given him the fortitude to face the grim situation, the bad situation, the misfortune. So she was a fortitude for him to fight against all odds. Question number 5. How do you think that this part of the conversation between Miranda and Prospero is important? This part of the conversation between the father and the daughter comes as a revelation to the reader. Both of them have opened their hearts and are remembering the past incidents and memories that have been kept locked in the bottom of their hearts. The reader is given a peek, a view into the protagonist's need for survival and courage, human quality of resilience to rise above the storm and create new beginnings. Children, this is very necessary that we learn for life. There are times when the storms of life come. Don't give up. Dear children, keep up to your faith. Rise above all this and you will be the winner. Okay? Now, let's go to the 6th and the last question. Give the meaning of the following words as they are used in the context of the passage. Destroy, meaning killed. Kill, is it not? She asks, why did they not destroy us? That means, why did they not kill us that time? So, destroy means kill. Colors, here not the simple meaning of colors. The meaning is disguise, the disguise of evil intentions. They wanted to hide their intention of killing them. Therefore, instead of killing at once, they had sent them in a small boat in the open sea that they drown and die. Bye children. God bless you.